So Coke obviously is the largest supplier of carbonated beverages to McDonald's, and McDonald's being their largest customer, they was trying to help McDonald's solve their problem, lack of CO2 or CO2 shortage. They use it to push the syrup, they use it for their ABS systems. If they can't carbonate their beverage, right, they're in trouble. So we started working with Coke on a compressed air solution for McDonald's.
McDonald's had some special considerations. They wanted to reduce CO2 consumption for a variety of reasons. They wanted to reduce their carbon footprint. They wanted to reduce the amount of CO2 that's released into the atmosphere and all the things that go around with sourcing and maintaining a CO2 bank.
So when we started our bev dispensing product, we actually went into some of the stores, the McDonald's stores, and did field testing so we could understand their usage. That is critical and absolutely critical to understand what the requirements are for the product. This helped us design the optimal system from a dryness perspective, a performance perspective, to provide them the right solution the first time. But it starts with immersion in with the customer and in the application itself before you even put pen to paper.
Collaboration is the key to our success. It's definitely a two-way street. If the more input we can get from the customer, the better chance we have at developing a solution that's going to satisfy their needs. So it's key that their life is easier as a result of having installed our systems.
Yeah, so the 87R 10BA system versus regular CO2 canisters, there's no lead times on CO2, there's no transporting of the canister. It uses the air all around it. We're not gonna run out of air. And so you can continue to pull that clean, dry air to supply their needs from the environment.
It's the only system in its industry for beverage that's designed with an air dryer at the moment. And from the air dryer, it derives a number of benefits to a beverage system. So dry air keeps the moisture from intruding downstream into a number of the other beverage systems. The system is also designed with a higher capacity airflow. So the combination of that and the preventative maintenance calls will allow the system to perform as expected, ultimately beyond the intended life of the system.
Innovating with this new product has helped Coke and McDonald's to deliver a better solution for their beverage dispensing needs. As an engineer, our purpose is to solve others' problems, and we want to do that as efficient and to the best quality we can do.
The response from McDonald's has been overwhelming. We've replaced CO2 in all of the stores, for example, in Hawaii. We've had owners, tell us, hey, we've seen significant reduction in our CO2. They're on board with it, and that's what really matters to us.
We were able to save the customer almost 40% of their CO2 usage because we were able to create a product that was smaller, quieter, more efficient, and more robust than anything else that was out there in the marketplace. And we were able to scale it and provide them the product at the price point that they were looking for. That's what we're able to do. We're not just opening a catalog and giving you something that you may not really like. We actually work with you, customize it, and make sure that we get you exactly what you need when you need it.